We have studied the methods of preparation of alkenes by elimination reactions, right? तो elimination reaction में हमने देखा है dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halides, dehalogenation of vicinal dihalides and dehydration of alcohols. All these three types, they are elimination type. Okay, so by elimination reaction we can obtain alkenes. Now second type of method from which we can obtain alkene, that we are going to see, and that is addition reaction. Okay, so write down the heading. Next, second is by addition reaction we can prepare alkenes. Addition reactions. Okay, so by doing addition reactions also we get alkenes. ठीक है, तो हमने ये रिएक्शन देखी है. अगर अल्कीन का हम रिडक्शन करते हैं तो हमें अल्केन मिलते हैं. ठीक है, अल्केन्स का प्रिपरेशन करते वक्त हमने ये रिएक्शन देखी थी. When we do reduction of alkenes, we get alkenes. Okay, that reaction we have seen, and alkenes are reduced by using nickel, platinum, palladium as a catalyst. Okay, so that alkenes get reduced to alkenes. Okay, and alkynes, if alkynes are reduced, we get alkene. Further reduction of alkene gives alkane. Okay, that reaction also we have seen, right? तो ये रिएक्शन हमने देखी है. देखो, समझो मेरे पास है अल्काइन, एक एग्जांपल ले रहा हूं मैं, इथाइन. अगर इसमें मैंने हाइड्रोजन ऐड कर दिया, निकेल, प्लैटिनम और पैलेडियम कैटलिस्ट, इफ वी यूज हाई टेम्परेचर एंड हाई प्रेशर. ओके, तो यहाँ पे एक हाइड्रोजन जाएगा और दूसरा हाइड्रोजन इसमें, तो ये हो जाएगा अल्कीन, दैट इज इथीन. ठीक है, और फिर इसका रिडक्शन होता है, फिर इसमें हाइड्रोजन ऐड होता है. सो हाइड्रोजन टोटली रिड्यूस दिस ट्रिपल बॉन्ड एंड इट गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू सिंगल बॉन्ड. ओके, सो अल्केन इज फॉर्म फाइनली. नाउ सी द कन्वर्जन हियर. आगे निकेल, प्लैटिनम, पैलेडियम, हाई टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर. ओके, so here ethine first converted into ethene and ethene get reduced to ethane. So complete reduction of this triple bond takes place and we get single bonded alkane. But now what we want, only alkene, because we are looking at the method of preparation of alkenes. Okay, तो हमें alkenes चाहिए. So we have to do the partial reduction. This is the total reduction. If we do the total reduction of alkyne, it gives finally alkane. Okay, and if we do the partial reduction, means incomplete reduction, you can say controlled addition of hydrogen or controlled hydrogenation, then we get ethene. But in that case we have to use different catalyst. Okay, not nickel, platinum or palladium. If you use nickel, platinum, palladium, it will reduce ethine to directly ethane. Okay, that is alkyne to alkane. So this catalyst is not useful in partial reduction. Now which catalyst is used for the partial reduction of alkyne to get alkene, that we'll see. Okay, so by doing the addition reaction we get what? Alkenes. Okay, so we'll take example of this partial reduction. Now see, I am taking one example here for addition reaction. Write down first addition reaction. Alkyne, suppose first R C triple bond C R, it is by using Lindlar's catalyst. Okay, यहाँ पे हम यूज करते हैं Lindlar's catalyst का. What is this Lindlar's catalyst? We will see. Plus H2 पैलेडाइज्ड चारकोल. देखो, पैलेडियम और चारकोल कंबाइन होने के बाद जो प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा उसको कहेंगे हम पैलेडाइज्ड चारकोल. दैट इज पार्शियली डीएक्टिवेटेड बाय एडिंग क्विनोलिन कंपाउंड टू इट. क्विनोलिन इज एन ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. So the partial reduction occurs and we get such type of alkene here. Now you know this alkene is what? Cis alkene. Okay, so cis alkene is formed here from alkyne. Now the reaction stop at this stage. Okay. So what is Lindlar catalyst? Write down here. C triple bond C. Here C triple bond C means alkyne here. That C triple bond C can be partially reduced to alkene, that is C double bond C, using Lindlar's catalyst. Okay, remember this Lindlar's catalyst, आपको ये MCQ में भी पूछ सकते हैं कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में. Lindlar's catalyst, what is Lindlar's catalyst? Write down Lindlar's catalyst. Pelletized charcoal okay, charcoal means carbon. Okay, pelletized charcoal partially deactivated by quinoline. Okay, C triple bond C is partially reduced to C double bond C using Lindlar's catalyst, and that Lindlar's catalyst is nothing but pelletized charcoal deactivated partially by quinoline. Okay, so ये जो combination है palladium, charcoal and quinoline, that is called what? Lindlar's catalyst. And if we use Lindlar's catalyst, we can convert alkyne to alkene, and which alkene? Specifically cis alkene. Okay, so if you want cis alkene from alkyne, you can use which catalyst? Lindlar's catalyst. Okay, so note down this reaction and explanation. This point is very important because in exam you may ask this question, that what is mean by this Lindlar's catalyst? What is Lindlar's catalyst and how it is useful? It is useful in preparing cis alkene from alkyne. Okay, so write down this reaction and the explanation, very important. Okay, after noting it down, we will take example now. Okay, now take example. This is a general reaction which you have seen here, so we can take now examples. Now take example. Example first, I am writing here CH3 C triple bond C CH3 plus H2. This is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the name of compound? But2YNE. Okay. Now, if I use here what? Lindlar's catalyst, I'll get CH3 C double bond C CH3 HH. Now what is the name of this compound? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Selection of longest carbon continuation, that you know. Cis but2ene. Okay, so write down this reaction. So in this way, by using Lindlar's catalyst, we can obtain cis alkene from alkyne. Okay. And by using Lindlar's catalyst, we get cis alkene. In this case, second is what? Sodium in liquid ammonia. Sodium in liquid ammonia, that is NH3. Okay, so if I do the reduction of alkynes, by using sodium in liquid ammonia, RC triple bond Cr plus H2, this is alkyne. So the reduction takes place, sodium in liquid ammonia. What? Here, which product is obtained? Now see, different reaction takes place here, and you get what? This trans-alkene. Remember. So what is the product here obtained? Trans-alkene. Okay. So this is the general reaction. Note down. So write down, trans-alkene is obtained. Trans-alkene is obtained when alkynes are reduced with sodium in liquid ammonia. Okay, note down this. This is very important. Now friends, here see, if you want cis-alkene from alkyne, that is partial reduction of alkyne, we can use now. If you want cis-alkene, Lindlar's catalyst. If you want trans-alkene, sodium in liquid ammonia, that reagent we will use. Okay, so we can convert these alkynes to alkene by two reagents, we can say. First is Lindlar's catalyst and second is sodium in liquid ammonia. The difference is that when we use Lindlar's catalyst, it converts alkyne to cis-alkene, and when we use this sodium in liquid ammonia, what we get? Trans-alkene from alkyne. Okay, so this is the difference you must remember. Okay, ठीक है, तो आप इसके हम एग्जांपल लेते हैं, पहले ये नोट डाउन करके लो. So we'll take now examples. Okay. So in this case, basically what we'll obtain here? Trans-alkene. Okay. Very simple. Now I'm taking examples. Now see, first example, I'm taking CH3, C triple bond C, CH3. That is but 2YNE, okay, plus H2, reduction in the presence of sodium in liquid ammonia, you will get trans-alkene. Okay, CH3, C double bond C, H, CH3, trans 1 2 3 4 but 2 in. Okay, so this is the product. Note down this reaction. Okay, second, you can take example. I'll directly write now C2H5, C triple bond C, C2H5, ethyl group I have taken. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 hex 3YNE plus H2, sodium in liquid ammonia. You will get what? Trans compound. Trans hex 3ENE. Now see the difference. ENE here YNE. Okay. Okay. So in this way you can do the partial reduction of alkynes and we can get alkenes, whether it is cis or trans. Cis alkene in the case when we use Lindlar's catalyst, and trans is the product. Trans alkene is the product when we use sodium in liquid ammonia. Okay, this reagent. So hope you understood. by doing addition reactions also we can get alkenes. Okay, so in this way we have seen the methods of preparation of alkenes, dear friends. Okay, so by two different reactions we can obtain alkenes. First reaction is by elimination reaction, elimination of alkyl halides, vicinal dihalides and alcohols, we get alkenes. Okay, that in detail we have discussed. And by addition reactions of alkynes, partial or incomplete or reduction or controlled hydrogenation of alkynes gives us alkenes, cis and trans. Cis in the case of Lindlar's catalyst and transalkene in the case of when we use sodium in liquid ammonia reagent. Okay, so in this way we have seen the methods of preparation of alkenes. Hope you understood this methods of preparation. Okay, so इस पे आप मैं कुछ होमवर्क के लिए क्वेश्चन आपको देता हूं, ठीक है. सो